2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In case you're hoping to add a little Italian energy to your basic supply run, the Stelvio is sufficiently hot to dissolve your gelato. In the engine is a 280 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 driving each of the four wheels through an 8-speed program. Alfa claims a 0 to 60 mph time of 5.4 seconds. Inside, you'll locate a good-looking inside with calfskin seats and a 6.5 or 8.8-inch infotainment show. Computerized crisis braking and versatile journey control are discretionary. One need just take a gander at the 2019 Lamborghini Urus to see that hybrids have turned into a fundamental malevolence for even the most renowned makers. Alfa Romeo ends up in a comparable position with the 2018 Stelvio SUV, which, as a high-riding utilitarian worked on the dazzling 10 Best Cars winning Giulia vehicle, supports Alfa's lineup in its arrival to the US showcase. While the Stelvio likewise shows that adding utility to an execution brand's DNA can at times dash our desires, the final product is a refreshingly fulfilling SUV to see. The presence of the Stelvio was at first somewhat of a setback, what with Alfa Romeo having prodded us preceding its presentation with the likelihood of building a ground-embracing wagon adaptation of the Giulia. Attractive, flow-through, and hypothetically permeated with the same sensitive physicality that makes Alfa's four-entryway one of our most loved new autos, a forthcoming Giulia wagon had us feeble in the knees. Be that as it may, actually a wagon would have been a non-starter for a reemerging brand in the present market. Against the shockwave of the business hybrid blast, the two-box Giulia didn't stand a shot.